Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Matthew with Matthew Specialized Detailing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you see today, please click the link below and subscribe. I'm really excited to have Jason Killmer in the shop to help me with this particular project as we wet sand, paint correct, and ceramic coat this 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ Classic. And you might ask yourself, well, what's so fancy and important about a 21-year-old Jeep? One of the reasons I was really particularly excited about working on this vehicle was the gentleman that owns this vehicle is extraordinarily passionate about this vehicle. He really is in love with the truck, and you don't often see too many of them in this good of shape. Now, having said that, the clear coat is very heavily oxidized. There is some, sun fading and some cracking and some other damage. But what I mean by good shape is that this is not a Midwestern car. There's no rust on the vehicle, and the side panels are as straight as an arrow. And normally when you see a vehicle of that age, it's either been in a car accident, it's been repainted, and it's got door dings all over it. But this thing is just really, truly well maintained. And again, aside from the faded clear coat, it just really needs to be brought back to life. So this service really began with masking off all of the moldings around the vehicle just to preserve the integrity of all the weather stripping around there. And once that was complete, we really just picked up the machines and started hammering down. The top of the vehicle was wet sanded with 1500 and followed by 3000. And the sides were just 3000 to knock down the oxidation to just really accelerate that whole compounding step. But essentially it was a 3-step paint correction where we did wool pad and compound on step 1, and then we did the DA and a microfiber pad to kind of smooth out any of the halograms that may have been created from the wool pads in the compounding step, and then followed up with a foam polishing pad before ceramic coating this thing.